Do you want to be able to open up WhatsApp without anyone knowing that you're online on the app? Maybe even read someone's message without them knowing that you have read it and been on the app if you choose to not respond immediately. I'll show you how to turn off that online status or hide it, as well as turn off read receipts. So open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, and then tap on You at the bottom right. Oh, let me tap on it again. From here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and tap on Last Seen and Online. It says who can see my last seen, aka your online status. Switch this to Nobody. And who can see when I'm online, switch this to Same as Last Seen, aka Nobody. So nobody will be able to see when you are last on WhatsApp or online. However, I would highly recommend tapping the back arrow, scrolling down from here and toggling off read receipts, because even if they can't see that you're online, if you're sending them read receipts, they'll be able to see that you have read their message and not responded to it. So now you can basically use WhatsApp however much you want without anyone knowing that you're on the app. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.